Hello, I'm Grayson Bourne, owner of KayakPro. I want to show you how to set up your KayakPro ergometer to calibrate the onboard console and also connect and calibrate the Bluetooth Genesis port. You can then experience internet-connected virtual competitions, virtual training in the Kinomap application, amongst many other integrated applications that we have. KayakPro has created over 100 interactive, high-definition paddling videos from all locations around the world. I'm sure there'll be something there for everybody. These are available to you quite simply from the end of your KayakPro ergometer and an internet connection. You can paddle with friends, against yourself, and participate in leaderboards. It's a whole new virtual world. So Kinomap is the platform we are going to be using for the first ever World Cup of Indoor Paddling, in association with the ICF. In order to get connected and calibrated, you will need to calibrate both the onboard console that's on our ergometers and the Genesis Bluetooth port, so two separate calibrations. Okay, so to calibrate the onboard console, switch the console on using the red On button. The top window will then show meters or time. To toggle between distance and time, press the MOD or Mode button. For virtual racing, it is better to stay with the distance option. So to set the distance or time, by pressing the Set button to scroll through the digits. To increase the digit that is flashing by 1, press the DIG or digit button. For virtual racing, it is better to set with a very high distance so as not to get cut off when training. The real competition distances will be displayed within the Kinomap application in any event. So then once you've set the preferred distance or time, we can then move on to the second window. So press the DSP button and that will start the second window flashing. Now this is your weight in kilograms. Adjust this weight by pressing Set to go up or down, DIG, DIG. Once your weight in kilogram is set, then press the DSP button again, and your onboard console will then be ready for spin down or calibrate. You will see the bottom left-hand window flashing. Just one quick note, if you're going to use Genesis port, it is a good practice to integrate and spin down both devices, that's the Genesis port and the onboard console, simultaneously. And this will then harmonize the data output from both under the same conditions. So then to calibrate your onboard console, once the bottom left window is flashing, accelerate your ergometer to 700. This will be shown in the second window of the onboard console. As soon as you hit 700, stop paddling and allow the flywheel to free fall to stop. This will auto-calibrate your onboard console. You may see a change in the drag factor digit window, which is bottom left, but now you're ready to paddle. Just press the RDY button and you can begin to paddle. So that concludes the setup of the onboard console. Okay, so now let's move on to calibrating your Genesis port. Genesis port is calibrated via the Gym Tracker app. Make sure your Genesis port is fully charged. From your KayakPro ergometer, connect your Genesis port to the multi-port splitter cable and the SPT cable on the back of your ergometer. Connect the other end of your multi-port splitter cable to the onboard console on your ergometer. Now you have connectivity of both the Genesis port and the onboard console. Then on your phone or smart device, open the Gym Tracker app. When you open Gym Tracker app, it will show you available Bluetooth devices. So then click to connect the KayakPro named device. Then on the Gym Tracker app opening screen, click the menu bar's top left. The drop-down menu will show spin down as an option. Press spin down. Then select your weight in kilograms. Once you've done that, press the next blue button. And then accelerate your ergometer to a minimum of 8.4 kilometers an hour. The spin down on the Gym Tracker app says accelerate to 10.8 kilometers an hour, but in reality it only needs to be accelerated to 8.4 kilometers an hour. If the spin down is successful, the Gym Tracker app will show you spin down complete, so you know you've succeeded. This then completes the calibration of your Genesis port. Okay, so the next step is connectivity of the Kinomap application. So download the Kinomap application from your Apple or Google Play Store. You'll need to set up your account to connect and allow functionality of the Kinomap application. A Kinomap subscription code will be needed to complete this account. Please contact us for your Kinomap subscription code if you need one. So then open Kinomap on your smart device. Then go to the menu bar's bottom right to add your equipment. Select Equipment Management, top left. And then select the plus button to the top right hand side of your tablet to add new equipment. You'll see 5 icons, choose the rowing icon. Then you'll see a list of manufacturers, of course, click KayakPro. And then select the type of KayakPro ergometer you're using. I'm going to choose Xeon because that's what I have. At this point you can also add a heart rate transmitter to display on your Kinomap application. So if you go to the Equipment tab and then press the gear wheels, scroll down to add new sensor, and then you'll see the compatible sensors pop up. Connect your preferred heart rate device. Now, you're all set up with connectivity to Kinomap application and your heart rate transmitter. By going back to your profile, you can now choose your preferred paddling course. Click on the paddling course you want to paddle on. Click the Train Now button. When you click the Train Now button, you can see 2 options, Discovery Mode and Challenge Mode. Discovery Mode doesn't have any data and it allows you to paddle in your own time and at leisure, and the video is the same speed as the speed of the video as it was recorded. But for competitions, you're going to click the Challenge Mode, so click Challenge Mode. Then when you're ready to start, simply press Start, then click New Session, and you're ready in the Kinomap application. Then you're ready to paddle. If you wish to extend your visibility to a remote or expanded screen, press Equipment Management again and the More bars on the bottom right of your tablet. Then press Remote Display, ensuring you have a QR code displayed on your TV screen. The URL link to activate and display this code is in your Kinomap instructions for Kinomap setup. You will need a laptop connected to your TV to display the QR code. Then in the Kinomap app on your smart device, press the Equipment Management tab, Remote Display, from your smart device. Then press the Scan code to scan the QR code and Add Device. It will connect automatically. Then if you go back to My Profile, you can choose the course you want. Train now. When you train, choose Challenge, New Session, press Screen and begin paddling.